morning, everybody. My name is Chris Honig with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, and today I'm going to be showing you our 2019 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. This Outrage we've outfitted with a light blue hull and a light blue underneath on our fixed hard top on the boat, so a nice match for you on that. And we have our combing bolsters all around the entire boat, so really comfortable for leaning against. And then up on the bow we have our windlass anchor with remote, and then freshwater washdown as well on this boat. This boat's so nice because it's outfitted with tons of entertaining area up front. We have a cocktail table mount that'll go into this bracket right here. Huge fish box with drain, and then you have a really big storage area underneath this lounge seating right here, so you can put your put all your fishing rods in here. You have option to do dive tank holders and put all your covers and everything else to get them out of the way for fishing and entertaining. So now we're going to walk to the back of the helm right here. As you notice, you have a nice door that comes in to your head, vacuum flush head, and there's your storage for your cocktail table mount. Also have some nice seats that fold out of both sides of the boat, so everybody can be in the same area when you're trolling and fishing and being able to talk to each other. This boat has our upgraded helm chairs, and we have our 12-inch Raymarine Axiom chart plotter on this boat, our upgraded Mercury vessel view, so all your digital gauges in there, as well as transferring over to the Raymarine. You have electronic start and stop, electric bow tabs, or trim tabs, electric vent so you can get a lot of air through here. And then we have a nice live well sitting off the back with the sink, and on the port side we'll have a Yeti cooler with a slide out. So a great space in here for able to compact everything in and leave tons of room in the cockpit for fishing. So here's where Whaler really shines, is having a nice aft bench seat that folds out with no supports, so everything's really flush when it comes back in, and creates a nice leaning post for fishing. Also a nice feature of Whaler is having two big fish boxes on your port and starboard side of the boat, so you can slide that fish right in off the transom door, and then you have your freshwater sprayer to clean all the blood and everything else off the boat. As we get to the transom, we have upgraded Mercury Twin 300 Verados on the back. These are the new redesign for Mercury. They're lighter, faster, more torque, and better fuel efficiency as well. So a great overall boat for fishing off the coast of North Carolina, being able to handle rough water, but then having a very shallow 24-inch draft to be able to get back into Masonboro and some other areas. So if you'd like to see this boat or any of our others, please give me a call. Chris Honig. My cell phone number is 910-617-3646. Thanks and have a great day.